Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is currently Monday, January 4th, so it is the first Monday after the holidays, and it is time to get everything back in order. As you can see, we still have our Christmas tree and all of our Christmas decorations still up. We usually do leave it for the first week or two of January, but today I thought I would reset everything and just get ready for a new year with a fresh start. We really didn't do much cleaning or anything over the holidays. We just enjoyed our time together, so there is definitely a lot to catch up on. This is probably going to be a multi-day project, but I think for today I'm going to start with taking all of the Christmas decorations down and then probably tidying and cleaning the living room and kitchen area. I'm starting with taking all the decorations off the tree. You can't see it, it's just off camera on my couch there, but I have a box where I store all of my Christmas ornaments. Some of the more breakable ones I'm wrapping in tissue paper, and then some of the other ones I'm just putting inside the box. There are little slots for each individual ornament. Now to take off the Christmas ribbon. I don't know where I put the cylinder thing that the ribbon originally came on, so I just wrapped it around this piece of cardboard that had some Christmas lights on it, and that'll do for now. But if you have any Christmas ribbon storage hacks, tips, anything, please let me know. And in the meantime, if you saw my Christmas tree decorating video, you will have seen the shock of how much glitter is on this ribbon. Well, it's happened again. My floor is covered in gold glitter, along with my pants, ooh, sparkly, and even my shirt. Now I'm taking the star off the top of the tree. I got this star at Home Depot this year, and I really like it because it just plugs into the lights on the Christmas tree, which is really handy. And now I'm searching behind the couch for our Christmas tree box. When you live in a small apartment, storage is definitely lacking, so we use all spaces of our house, including under the bed and under the couch and anywhere we can find space. Now I'm taking apart the Christmas tree and putting it back in the box. I did have a lot of trouble taking apart this stand here. I was only able to get 2 of the pieces off, and I had to wait for my husband to get home to take off the other 2. They were really stuck on there. Now I'm folding up our Christmas tree skirt, which I also got this year at the Bay, and I'm putting it into a plastic bag and then putting it inside one of the Christmas bins. Now I'm taking down the Christmas garland that I made in one of my Christmas decorating videos. I had woven these berries and pine cones all throughout this plain garland I got at Walmart this Christmas. So I'm taking it all apart and putting it inside this bin. Now for all of these little Christmas tree decorations that I made in another Christmas DIY video. I had all of these little candles and snowflakes in our bedroom over the Christmas season on top of the dresser. So I'm also putting these inside the Christmas bin. As you can see, our couch is covered in glitter along with everywhere else in the house, but we don't actually have a vacuum with us right now, so I'm sweeping off the couch and getting everything onto the floor so I can sweep it from there. Now I'm putting our pillow back and folding up the blankets to put over the couch. Now it's finally time to sweep the floor. I knew there'd be a lot of glitter down here, mainly from that gold ribbon on the tree, but there was so much everywhere. I even changed my socks at one point because I felt like I was tracking glitter all over the house while trying to clean it, which was not really working out so well. I'm now using a dry Swiffer to sweep again and just pick up any little pieces of glitter or crumbs or anything that the broom didn't pick up. I just realized I forgot about the stockings and the stocking holder, so I'll take those down now. I'm finally done with the living room. I just have to mop the floor, but I'm gonna wait to do that until I can do the living room and the kitchen floor all at the same time. I'm not gonna have time to do a full deep clean of the kitchen today, but I am gonna tidy it as much as possible and just get it looking a little less chaotic. I don't know about you, but whenever I'm cleaning one area of the house, it often means that another area gets a lot messier because I'm moving things from place to place. So it's looking a little scary over there, but I'm hoping I can just tackle it and get it done as quickly as possible. Now I'm just wiping down the counter with some all-purpose cleaning spray and a microfiber cloth. As for the other side of the kitchen, I had an empty cookie jar sitting out, a box of mandarin oranges, some recycling, and all kinds of stuff that did not belong on the counters. The kitchen is officially tidy, the living room is tidy, it is looking so much better in here. I'm so happy, but I'm also very tired. First day back after the holidays. It's no joke. I still have to sweep the kitchen floor, mop the living room and kitchen floors. We have to take out the recycling, and I still have to wipe down the sink and all the counters over there. And also a lot of the cupboards have some spills on them, so I have to clean that. But I think I'm gonna save the deep cleaning for another day. All right, I'm going to sweep some more of this glitter off the floor and then probably call it a day. Now time to sweep the kitchen side of the apartment. Also, I haven't put my wreaths away yet because they don't fit into my Christmas bins and I don't have a free bin to put them in. But I'm wondering how you guys store your wreaths. Do you have a special wreath storage container or what do you do? I'm actually using the same dry Swiffer pad I used in the living room. I'm just flipping it over and using the other side. I was also listening to the new version of A Potential Breakup Song that Allie and AJ recently released, which I'm obsessed with. I've always loved that song, and I love the new one just as much. If you're cleaning, you might as well have fun, right? I'm switching over to a wet Swiffer now to mop the kitchen area, and I'll also be using the same pad to Swiffer the living room area. Here's what the living room is looking like, all tidied and free of Christmas decorations. I'm really liking how clean it is, and I can't believe how much bigger our small apartment feels just with that much less stuff in it. I love Christmas and I love Christmas decorations, but I am glad to have a bit of our space back. Christmas is officially done in our house. Everything is put away, tidied, and cleaned up. I still have to do a deep clean of the kitchen and clean the bathroom and organize my bedroom. There's a lot to do in the new year, but I'll be sure to take you guys along with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'd love if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. And let me know, when do you usually take down your Christmas decor? Are you a day after Christmas kind of person, or do you wait till mid-January? What do you think is the right time? Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.